tell. It's probably, you know, in between. It's weird.
It's
weird.
Super weird. Dude, it's like my best recreation is like. The key catchy thing is the like the one bar of the triplet and then the one bar of the implied triplet. So I think I could just do it.
Hit the note again, Henry. Hit that note one more time for us.
I think it's like that. You can just do that. But somehow that it has like an implied like double time feeling that like like a It's just.
What you looking at?
You know that.
Oh yeah, it was in a. Oh yeah, I can do that. I wasn't sure if we wanted.
It's like almost
Yeah.
ska. It's like
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I was wondering